Good morning, Ian, Paisley, and Xander. I hope you guys are having a great day. It is Tuesday, November 17th, and here is what you're going to do. I know it seems like a lot, you guys, but I did actually cut out quite a bit. So how are you feeling? The read aloud is at 9:05. I haven't had you guys join me. Ian has joined me when he's been at home, but I haven't seen anybody else. I would love to see you. So you can click on me right here, and then that takes you to the Google Meet. If you can't make that, here is the book that you can listen to so that you can do the Word Wizard. Chapter 14, Mr. Willy Wonka. Okay. Then for math, we are on lesson 7. So you still have to do lesson 6 in Zearn, but we skipped lesson 6 because it's a lot like lesson 6 or lesson 5. And so it's just extra practice for you guys on Zearn. And then we're moving on to 7. So watch these 2 videos first, and then you're going to watch the lesson video from me. Set a timer for 7 minutes. See how much you can get done. Then, so you should be done with 6 and 7 and on lesson 8 on Zearn, okay? I would love for you to do Imagine Math. You don't have to. If you would like to, that would be great. Take a break. After that, you are going to read Shirley Jackson's Scientific Mind. And then, you guys don't have to do these definitions, but if you would like to, you can. It tells you what page they're on. And then if you don't have the book, you can click here and it will take you to a digital version of the book and read it to you. Okay, so how is your point of view of the story Shirley Jackson's Scientific Mind different from the author's because of the information you gain from the pictures? So looking at those pictures, what do they help you understand? And how does that change your point of view? So I'm going to take this one out. Okay, so you're going to watch this video about coordinating conjunctions and compound sentences. And then you're going to do this worksheet. So you're just going to rewrite these sentences right here and taking these 2 simple sentences and just making it a compound sentence. Then after that, you are going to do Spelling City. You are list A and both. So you're going to do list A and both. And then you're going to take a break. After that, I would love for you to do Get Epic. That's the wrong code. And then for 20 minutes, or read your own story. And then that's it. You are done. I hope you guys are doing great. Have a great day. Please let me know if I can help in any way. Bye, guys.